Hello, friends. My name is Shubham, and I'm here to express something. So, friends, 2 days before I had created one video of me for when I was giving a Infosys interview. So that videos, many of my friends are texting me, how was that interview, how to prepare for interview and all. So in this video, I just want to tell you about how I prepared. So first of all, I started learning some of the basics language. For example, for in my case, I'd start learning Python and some HTML and CSS. Actually, just get prepared for the first question that interviewer must ask is about introduce yourself. That's the basic question you must know about this. For example, when he is asking you, tell me about yourself, just tell him what you know about the languages so that from which he can ask questions, right? For example, when he asked me, tell me something about you, I just explained simply, like, my name is Shubham Arora and I'm from Sonipat. Then I tell him about my languages also, what I did, so that he may ask question from them only, right? Even he can ask from other concepts also, but there are the most of the chances are from those language what you prefer more, or what you tell him about in your about yourself, right? So first of all, for example, I said my basic languages are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python, and basics of Python. I told him a basic of Python, so that he was asking what is that basic of Python, do you know the concepts of OOPS? So I said, yes sir, I am comfortable with OOPS. Then he asked me, tell me about OOPS. So these type of questions. There are one more important question is SDLC, system development life cycle. You must learn this also, just because in the especially in Infosys interview there are many times that questions occur over there, that they are asking about tell me something about you, and then after tell me about your project. Firstly, your project, that's a main question that you must prepare for it, that they will be asking about the first question after tell me about yourself and all. The first question will arises, tell me about your project what you created in your college life and all. So then you will gonna tell him that project. Just be sure and must sure that what project you had been created, you must know everything about that, each and every concept about that. Okay, so he may ask many questions from that project also, so that's create a good impression on your interview. So now the second question is SDLC. They usually ask system development life cycle question. I had seen many interviews that they were asking SDLC, but in my case I had not prepared about that, but yes, I said something in response also. And then they will be asking about difference between C and C++. That's a basic question. They will surely ask you if you are from IT background or not. That question will be, create an important role also. After that, you must know about data structures. A little bit of data structure means array, quiz, and all. Okay, the OOPS concept must be clear of your any of your basic language that you know best. Just tell him that, sir, I had learned this language from that website, W3 School, great learning platform, and I had got certification and all. So it will help you more, and it will show you a kind of confident person, though, so that he can ask you anything from that particular language. Then you may answer them easily. So that's how you can prepare your interview, and just stay confident. Yeah, it's a great time when you are giving that interview, but you must get depressed also. When interviewer will asking me a question, then I too got um, a kind of hesitated, so that even interviewer also can understand this, just because you're a fresher right now, it may be your first or second interview. That's why he also understand that you're a little bit unconfident about that, but it's okay. Try to be confident and learn each and everything what you had mentioned in your resume, just because question arises from your resumes only. Most of 90% of the questions are arises from your resume only. So just prepared well, as you mentioned everything in your resume, and just go through it before your interview timing. And stay tuned, please subscribe my channel. I will give you more information as I given a interview of Capgemini also, so I will share my experience of this also, and even I will share a kind of vacancies which are coming over there. So stay tuned. Thank you. Goodbye.